You ain't even gotta say it. Misunderstood, don't need to be complicated. Ay, you know we good, no reason to be explaining.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing the Outre melted hairline wig Divine in the color Golden Amber. I bought her from my local beauty supply store, but if I'm able to, I will link her down in the description box. I love this color. She's got like some blonde and some honey like brown and like dark roots in the front, and then she's kind of short. I would say no more than like 18 inches. This is all the parting space she has. She does have lace ear to ear, and then just lace where the part is, an elastic band, combs on each temple and one in the back. So I'm going to start off by cutting the lace. I didn't have my razor with me, so I went ahead and just used the scissors that I had nearby. I'm still going to cut in like a jagged line to make the hairline not like just straight across, and then I'm going to put the wig on. So what I did notice about this wig is that it did fit my hair from my hairline from ear to ear, but I couldn't, like the way the hairline was, I couldn't like sit it too far back, so it was pretty close to my eyebrows since I do have a low hairline. So you'll see me kind of move it around a bit to kind of get it in the right spot. I really do love the way these curls are right out of the pack. It's very beautiful, and this colorway looks really nice with my skin tone. I think this is my first time trying like a colorway like this, so I was very happy about that. But first I'm going to just brush out the hair so I can kind of get a feel for the curls and show you guys what it looks like right out of the box. I did want to point out that the lace was kind of light for me, so I went in with my contour shade from the True Complexion palette, and I put that all over the lace. And then I'm going to put the wig back on and begin installing it. So as I'm starting to do my baby hairs, I did want to let you guys know that I had a hard time laying these baby hairs. I tried to use the Wetline Extreme Gel to swoop them, but they just kept melting back together. I just kept having to swoop the same baby hair over and over again. Eventually I went in with the Got To Be because I needed something that was more tacky, that would hold them better, because they just would not stay in place. So you'll see me spray some Got To Be and blow dry it a little until it's tacky but not completely dry, to help me swoop them and keep them in place. And I'll leave the clips of me doing my baby hair in here for both sides so that you can get a gist of how I do that. You guys, those baby hairs took me so long, but now that I'm done, I'm going to go back through and brush out the hair and add any finishing touches. I didn't use any heat on this wig. It was pretty flat. I didn't feel the need to use a wax stick and my curling wand to lay down the top, but you can definitely do that. This wig does take heat. I didn't feel the need to. For the last step, I'm going to put concealer in my part. I use LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Toffee. And this is the final look. I did want to show you guys the back and the colors and how they look together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this wig. Leave me any wig suggestions in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.